Lone Wolf Customs here, jacking the car up, fixing to try to pull this oil pan off and see just how bad we're really dealing with here. There's the oil pan, fixing to drain the fluid. Underneath don't look too bad, but what I can see. According to the internet, I take that bolt, there's a bolt over there, drop the steering rack down, and then basically just take all the bolts out of the oil pan, and it pretty much falls down, and there you go. We'll find out if that is accurate whenever we get to that point of doing it. But do. All right, catch you then. All right, drain the oil, take off the filter. Guess I'm fixing to pull the steering rack out. It looks to me like this oil pan may have been fixed before. Looks like somebody maybe have welded it. There's scratch marks and stuff up underneath here, so it's a good possibility somebody's whacked something with this thing. And they've repaired the oil pan, which shouldn't have nothing to do with the problem. But it's an interesting thing to state. Other than that, everything looks fine down here. Alright, catch you in a bit. That was a fucking pain in the goddamn ass. But there's some goo down there. Couldn't get that stupid thing off, so I had to take 3 bolts out with a freaking wrench. You can't get to these back here. They are a 10mm, but good luck getting anything in there. I've still got to take this stupid pan off to even find out if that's what my problem is and where the problem is and if I can fix it and all that other crap. Stupid darn water running to the oil filter to freaking, I guess, warm it up. Makes no damn sense to me. I'm really starting to hate this car. This was never meant to be done underneath a damn car. I ain't got the right damn tools and I ain't got enough fucking room underneath here. Alright, bye. Alright. This continuation is a couple days later. Alright, I was pissed off the other day. Where are you? On the camera. Oh, there you are. Yeah. That's just one. There's at least 3 that are chewed up. That's one. Now, technically, the correct way of going about fixing this would be taking the crank out, take it to the machine shop, and have them clean it up. Well, if I pull the motor, I'm not going to freaking screw with fixing this motor. So, I bought some parts. Ow. Serpentine belt that I need, bought it. Memory cloth, bought it. New rod bearings, bought it. Swivel, I need it because I was missing that tool, bought that. The stupid Allens that I was needing, bought those stupid things. Brand new Mopar oil filter. So, oil. brake cleaner, which I'll probably have to buy more of that. And I'm going to attempt to straighten it up in the vehicle and hopefully get 6 months out of it. By then, I should be able to have all the parts together to do the Hemi. There's all my nuts, bolts, and screws and junk, which all that's going to get cleaned really good before it goes back in. But yeah, yep. Earlier in this video, I apologize for being what I was. You get frustrated, you get pissed off, and trust me, everything was going wrong all at once. And that fought me every way you could possibly imagine, and there was a darn horsefly trying to eat me. Every time I'd reach to do something, he'd bite my side or something. So yeah, it was hot and I was sweating and I was hitting my head on every darn thing, and I was getting frustrated real quick. Finally, after I recorded that bit and opened that up and seen that, I just quit. Only thing I did is pick the tools up and I quit for the day, because the shape of the bearing really pissed me off. Yeah, I knew it would be I knew it wasn't going to be pretty, but I was kind of hoping it wasn't that bad. It obviously looks like somebody drove this thing knocking until it quit running, because the knock sensor's shutting the darn car down. So, yeah, no, it is what it is. But I think I can fix it. If I can't, it's a learning curve. I guess I'll show more when I have more. Bye.